Hello everybody, welcome back. We are here again with another crockpot recipe. This one's a different meatball one I saw on Facebook a while ago. I made it a couple times. So you want to spray down your crockpot with Pam and add your frozen meatballs to it. This is a little on the spicy side, just a forewarning. You want to go ahead and add 2 cans of the red enchilada sauce. I mean, it's not like spicy, but you could definitely feel the heat. Anyway, you want to add another or 1 can of the green enchilada sauce to go with it. Don't mind the lid of the can falling into the fucking meatballs. There's just hanging on by a thread. I'm gonna add a can of Rotel diced tomatoes with chilies. The video that I saw originally, it looked pretty good. We have a can of black beans rinsed because you don't want that nasty brine shit on it. I cut up 1 onion fully and 2 orange and 2 red peppers as well. I did not have my camera lady today, so don't mind the shakiness and the half-assed on the camera production. She has a job and I don't. Then we have a box of New Orleans style dirty rice. You don't have to put the packet of seasoning in there, but it gives it a little extra flavor. It's whatever, you know. You put the whole box in there, and then you want to mix it all up, get it all incorporated with each other. Make sure the rice is definitely deep down in that sauce, because if not, it's just gonna turn out shitty, like some people's marriages. Who knows? But yeah, mix it all around, get it nice and combined, just like that. It'll make you sweat after. Oh, thumbs up, yeah, left, right, up, down, who knows? I don't know. 4 hours on high, and you come back to this. It smells fucking amazing. It'll put a dent in your stomach and probably the toilet bowl afterwards too, for people that have sensitive stomachs. But it's worth it. It's worth the sweats, and it's worth the the pain and suffering on the toilet. I don't know where I was going with that. But it's really good. Again, it's not my recipe, but thanks everybody for watching again. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll catch you next time. Next time we're doing a dessert, I promise. Gotta go get some strawberries. Later.